In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dataset in Kaggle Notebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to come on over to kaggle.com, sign into your account. Now, once you're signed into our account, we want to go ahead and create a new notebook, or you continue on with an existing notebook. Now on the right hand side, it's got where it says notebook, we can add input. So we can go ahead and click on add input and then click on to data set here. Now we can add any type of data sets inside of your notebook here. So you can scroll down, there's over 600,000 you can choose from. We can use filters here and most votes, new updated usability, etc. Now you can also upload a new data set too. So if you've got a data set, you can go ahead and click on new data set, and then you can drag and drop those files into here, or click on browse files and find that inside of your files. Now also we can link your data set by using a remote URL, or import from a GitHub repository, or import from Google Cloud Storage. And also we've got notebook output as well.